Like, who doesn't like to save money? Anybody? Anybody? Who don't like to save money? Raise your hand. I see no hands. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I saved over $1,000 on the Saint Laurent Envelope Clutch, or government name as it appears on the website, envelope flat pouch in mixed metalace grand de poudre embossed leather. If you're interested in how I save so much money, then keep watching. So first, let's take a look at her. So this is the color Dark Beige. As you can see, it is a wristlet clutch. It comes with a detachable strap. This is considered a tricolor leather, so it has 3 different patterns. It has the vertical leather pattern, the chevron pattern, and then the diamond quilted pattern. It has a snap button closure, and it's made of calfskin leather. The grained leather is very durable. It's my favorite Saint Laurent leather, so I'm thinking this is gonna last me a pretty long time. The dimensions are 8.3 inches wide, 6.3 inches tall, and then 1.2 inches thick. So I was looking for something that this is comparable in size to, and it looks like maybe this Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch 19 might be a comparable size if you were kind of wondering. Yeah, almost the same size. The pouch is a little bit shorter, but basically it's kind of the same size as the toiletry 19. And when you open her up, it just has kind of one big compartment and then a back flat pocket. So you can, of course, wear it as a clutch, but I'm going to show you how it can be converted to a crossbody bag. So I was originally interested in the Cassandra bag. So the Cassandra bag is a wallet on chain. It looks pretty much like this, except it has, on the inside, it has little compartments similar to a wallet. So places for you to put your money and your credit cards and your change or whatever. Right now, that handbag is going for $1,950. At the time that I purchased this, I paid $795, but it is now on the website for $825. So what I did, I am not really a clutch girl. I am a crossbody bag and shoulder girl. So I don't often wear clutches. So what I did was I found a purse insert on Amazon that came with a chain that can be worn crossbody. So I'll actually show you how I put this inside. I'll do mod shots and I'll show you what fits. So they're calling these little inserts conversion kits. This one in particular is made of a nice soft felt material. It seems pretty durable. Inside there's one long pocket on one side and then 2 smaller pockets on the other side. The chain is 18 karat plated gold and it's 47 inches long. So the insert has little holes on the back that the chain is attached to, and basically what you do is you just kind of slip it in. And then it just settles in here like this. Now there are different colors for the insert. I just decided to get the beige color because it matches the color of the handbag. You can also get black because the actual interior of the bag is black. And when I wear it crossbody, I would just remove this wristlet. So this is how it looks. So I have a little short video on what fits inside of this with the insert, and I'll just link it here, and I'll also link it in the description box so you can take a look at what fits inside when the conversion kit is inside. So I will show you kind of randomly, because sometimes I'm so random, what fits inside without the conversion kit. It's actually pretty spacious for a clutch. So it can fit a kind of a compact wallet, my phone, lip gloss, keys, and lotion. And it just closes up and snaps with absolutely no problem. It can actually fit more, so if I wanted to put my card holder inside, I could put that inside. This will also probably fit. It's just a little key pouch if I wanted to put my keys in here. And shuts no problem at all. This little baby is deceptively spacious. You know, there's really not a lot of difference between this and the Cassandra. I mean, not enough of a difference where I would lay down an extra grand on the Cassandra. I think the Cassandra may be a little bit bigger, but not by much. Of course, it has a different strap. I think it has like the strap has like leather on the bottom of it. But if you can save money and just buy that conversion kit for like 40 bucks, why wouldn't you? Like, who doesn't like to save money? Anybody? Anybody? Who don't like to save money? Raise your hand. I see no hands. I think this is a really good option if you just want to treat yourself and you don't want to spend a bunch of money on a luxury item. This is something that you can get for under $1,000. I know that it's available in, of course, the Saint Laurent store on the website. It's available in major department stores that sell Saint Laurent, so Neiman Marcus, Nordstrom, Saks. Sometimes, particularly around the holidays, Saks has discounts on some of their designer items. I know they often run specials where if you spend a certain amount of money, you get a certain amount of money back towards a gift card or towards a future purchase, and Saint Laurent is usually included in that. So that's something that you might want to take advantage of if you're interested in purchasing any Saint Laurent items besides this one. But I have been loving this. I'm so glad I bought it, and I'm thinking about getting another color. That's how much that I really enjoy this. I think you get your money's worth. There's a lot of value in it. It is a luxury item, and it's less than $1,000. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then you might enjoy this next one. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.